Hello? I'm in Fort. Good morning. We're working on circles. Also, I did some stuff. Watch, look what we can do now. You ready? Boom. I got that set up. Nightbot. Which is kind of cool. I wanted to say thank you to Casiris. Yesterday I had to get off early, I didn't realize. I had an errand, and then just as I stopped the stream, they followed, so thank you for that. Yeah, I did get to do a little bit of additional circles work last night. So I'll just show you what we have now. Username, email, and then the password now has like a nice animation and everything. I think I did that on stream still. Now you'll notice, if you look down here at my terminal, that I've hooked some stuff together. So you can see that, boom, we got a post request. And this does actually create an account now. So I have everything hooked up here. It hashes the password, writes the email, display name stays empty, and all of this is hooked together. And I'm just doing a simple, so essentially how I'm doing all of this is so we'll just look at the create account first. So the JavaScript, using the fetch API, send a request to my the server, and I've hooked I created an authentication app, so you can kind of just go authentication / create account, and then it checks for headers, and I have all the headers hooked together inside the JavaScript, so it goes there. I figured out the CSRF token, and it all just kind of hooks together so that when you click, we go back, when you click create account, it does receive a post request and it is creating an account. So the next thing that I also got it to, you go out, it does do the same thing. Just put whatever in. You do also receive a GET request from the sign in side of views, not that views, this views, and it does check and sees if that's correct. I have yet to implement this, or in the JavaScript, pulling the data, and it doesn't actually send any data yet. But I'm also trying to figure out sessions and preserving user logins. So you can see right now, actually, when you reload this page, down here it says no session, and I'm starting to, in my views, not this views, the other views, in the main views, it checks to see if there's a username and password stored as a session, and I have yet to save it when you log in. So that's what we have to do next, and then we'll just kind of have to hook that together and see if maybe it happens to work. Or no, I mean, that doesn't really make sense. But so let's just do it. Let us, I guess, start with, well, first thing I want to do is clear out all these accounts that I just spammed. Actually, I think the first thing that I want to do is go to our models and just try to remember what this is called. How you make it look different. I'll pull up my why isn't it here? I'll pull up my Jade Software website, and I wanted to see how I am. I don't remember the syntax for changing how it displays. Define string, return self.username, okay. So, just like that. And then I don't expect I would have to migrate that since that's just a rendering thing, but maybe. We'll just give it something. Okay. Perfect. Precisely what I wanted to do. Okay. Kinda quiet. This probably needs to go up too a little bit here. So, sessions. Django store session. How to use sessions. So we're going to can we see like a proper example? Request.session 0 equals bar. What does that do? So wait, do we literally just go? Request.session. Just like that. No session, log in. Oh, but we need an actual account. Don't we? Let's just check to be sure that. I need to put messages here so I can see what's happening. So why does this do this? It's kind of annoying. I have my stats doc in OBS and it doesn't refresh. It's kind of weird. It just stays like stuck. No accounts exist. I just gotta put messages in all of these because I don't know what's happening. Oh, also we want this to be a GET request. I need to set up a proper logging system eventually. And no accounts exist, that's good. Okay, so we'll actually create a proper account. Email can be whatever. It's not like that does anything. That password will be... What's something that's easy? No count. Capital A. A. Alright, cool. Okay, so now I'll go back to login. A. No accounts exist. Really? Or am I doing this correctly? Username and for it. Oh, is I not getting that header? object HTML input element. What is that? HTML input element. What? It's an input element. But oh. When you forget to write dot value. That's kind of annoying. No accounts exist. Liar, I wrote dot value. Aha. Okay. That's the important part of it fixed. But did it say signed in? I don't think so. It still says no session as well. Maybe password is wrong? What? No. Do not check the password against the username. Of course, I'm gonna JSON all this in a minute. Signed in. Now if I refresh, it returned none instead. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is good. It finds the session. Okay. So then what? Can we just log in? Can we make a request to the login page? Do we need to? And do I need to set an expiry? I don't even know how it's doing this. But it is finding the session, so that's good. Now, I guess we could probably just render the other page, right? Can I do that? Like, actually, can I go to a view instead? Because return redirect. Does that work? So just go to authentication, go to login, I mean. Reverse for get not found. I don't know what that means. But I do remember using that actually in my other in this, because I believe I had to do that on the Jade site. I believe I was redirecting out of that. Wasn't I? For something. Maybe not here. I really feel like I did. But I can't find it. Didn't I? You wouldn't know. But I believe... I'll call of you from one app to another. Yeah, that's probably good. Really? You just do it like normal? Okay. Oh, no. But I don't want to render in HTML, I want to go to a view. Oh. Authentication, import. What did I call it? From authentication.views. Import. Sign in. And then return sign in. Does that work? Missing headers. Request dot headers dot header. How did I do that in the other one? Request dot headers username. Okay. HTTP headers object does not support item assignment. How do I set headers? But aren't the headers already there? Because, no, I guess they wouldn't be. Django set headers. Well. Let's see what that error was again. Google that. I don't know about that. Create a simple middleware as below. Okay. Class. Custom. Header. Middleware. Well, I feel like there has to be just an additional way that I can pass information. Because we're using the same request. So like, can I just pass it with context? Pass data. See an example below. I don't want that. Wait. If there's sessions load the sign in, it can either grab it from, why wouldn't I just do that? This is just allowed to pull from the session as well. That makes a considerable amount of sense. Alright, so if it finds headers or a request, then move to here, and if it's allowed to log in, don't do that. Give me my code back. Yes, you. If log in, do all this. And then log in equals true. Okay, so that should be theoretically the same thing. Oh, so then I have to fix my, this illegal. Okay, signed in works here. But I'm not gonna be able to, can I clear the session somehow? Okay, it's pulling that every time. If I close everything except for this, and if I bring the browser back, does it stay? Control Shift T. That still remains signed in. Okay, so the session preserves across the browser. Well, how do we even clear this then? Clear site session. Is it actually a cookie? Do we know this for sure? Cookies and site data. Okay, cool. So it's a cookie. It's storing it as a cookie. That probably was in the documentation, but you know, so if we do this, it says signed in. And then ideally this would redirect me. Otherwise, if I refresh, then it finds the session. Okay, so we kind of need a main page just so we can see this in action. So we'll just create a main.html in the main, and we'll make it doctape HTML, HTML, head. Why didn't I get my ending HTML tag? Come on, VS Code. Body. Header 1. Circles. Wow. Title, circles. Okay, so this is just our main page. Easy. Now we can do a define main request. I don't know why I'm giving it empty context strings. Why not? And then we'll return a render of request and main.html followed by the blank context. Now we will head to our URLs and we'll make a /main domain /main path, which redirects to views.main, and its name is main. And then we'll make it so that when you log in, it returns the render of the main page. Request main/main.html, does that work? Template does not exist. ./main, template does not exist. Circles, okay. So, we're logged in. Takes us here. I should make it so that, well, that should do it, right, with the whole request thing. So we'll remove this cookie. Okay, we'll log in. Great password. Okay, that didn't redirect us. Probably because it's a GET request. Maybe? Well, we'll pull that information and then redirect automatically. Obviously, if we reload, it signs in again, pulls our cookies, and we're good. So that's pretty cool. Let's make this button work correctly. So we'll go back here, and I need to figure out how to get the response. Run the fetch API. Using the fetch API. Const response equals await. So we'll make this an async function. And our response equals await, and then can I just console.log that? Console.log response.text. Does that just work? So we gotta clear our cookie again. This is getting, I'm glad that I'm not gonna have to test this a billion times. Or will I? Didn't console.log anything. Why? Why didn't it? But it's making the request. Well, console.logging anything. Is it? Can I disable cookies? Could probably do an incognito. Oh, did it that time. But it returned the HTML of our main page. I mean, if we give it a wrong password, does it return our normal thing? Okay, so we will just check to see if it has an HTML tag in it. Otherwise, right? So like, and then we should probably check authentication one more time when main opens. I'll probably make my own additional function that signs you in and gets all your information once the main page loads, which is redundant, but if... How did we check contains again? String contains includes. Okay, if response.text.includes. No, we're not doing an await. I don't know why you want that. If it includes HTML, then JavaScript, go to page. Window.location, that's easy. One two seven dot zero dot zero dot one, and obviously I'm gonna have to fix all these URLs for production. Okay, will that just work? Ah, the cookies. Right? Put up an incognito tab. Might just not get them. It might not keep them. Signed in. It didn't go. Why didn't it go? Type error. Response.text.includes is not a function. Okay. Because that's a wait thing. It's still keeping the cookies. Site settings. Clear. I could disable cookies, I guess. But oh wait, my incognito tab's gone, isn't it? I want this one. and refresh this one. Now we're storing more cookies. Response.text.include is not a function. Okay. Response.text. Response text equals response.text. Can I do response text.includes? Because it's just a string, right? Like, I don't see how this is hard. A good force reload. Response text.include is not a function. What? So it's not a string. Can we make it a string? There's so many ads. Yuck, ads. String is not defined. JavaScript makes string. Come on, W3 schools. Load faster. It refuses. Value.toString. Or I could do that. Cookies. Password wrong. Why? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? But it's just a bunch of A's. Aha, signed in. But it didn't redirect. We'll log the response text and the cookies. It's just a promise object? What? How do I convert a promise object to a string? I probably just need to do like a dot value or something. I need to use dot then. What? Don't really know what that means. I was already looking at that one. Promise.resolve. Promise.resolve the response. Chrome, disable cookies, please. And I feel like I should just be able to change specific settings. Background sync sound, downloads. You can communicate a website with MIDI devices. That's kind of cool. Oh, interesting. It's still a promise object. I don't think I'm doing this correctly. Response.text, then function text. Do something with the text response. Okay, so like response.text. Dot then function text. Like that. Thought I said to clear site data. Don't allow to save data. Found it. Okay, that worked. So that redirects us. And now we're at /main, which is precisely what we wanted. But does it do it if it fails? No, it wouldn't. Because then that just says no accounts exist. So, cool. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break, and then we'll be back to catch all of the other possible events. Alright, I'm back. Let's catch all these potential options. But first, I want it to actually do like a good request. You know, something we can put into, you know. Do we want it to be? Do we actually want that though? Because I'll just lowercase it all and make it better, because I really don't, like, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to tell between formatting it as JSON for my requests, and then the rest of the time format it as text, so I can capture the HTML, you know? Also, if it's returning, that's gonna be kind of rough. But do we actually? Yeah, we do. It's kind of messy. It's kind of messy. I guess I'll stick with this for now. It's not gonna be that hard to change. I just feel like that's kind of, it's like rendering the same HTML page twice. I mean, that can't be very. That can't be that hard to do, but I also feel like I don't know. It feels like that's gonna be hard. But I thought I guess we don't need this function to pull any data. It just has to confirm that a user exists. And then when the main screen runs, we can have a separate get data function that does all that. We don't really need to pull anything else about the user yet. So I think that's fine. So let us just like split this, I guess, so we have all the possible. Split down. It's getting messy. Did I really just stick a W there? I did. I'll just close all of this. We'll probably get it all out in a minute, but clean it up a touch. Okay, we're just gonna start at the top. Oh, and I have to change. It's not like it's gonna matter, but so why don't we also implement a box? You know my warning boxes I made earlier? Why don't we add that to the auth box? Just on top. You know? Where is my email box? Email info box. Because we can hide it for now. Why didn't I copy it? Hey. So it'll just be like warning message for now. Warning box. So that just, oh, we need a critical box. There, that looks scary, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Spooky scary. Okay. So let's give it an ID of like auth box. Auth box. Login. warning. Sure. And then we'll go down here and we'll just add that in. I'll just do it in the function to make it a little cleaner. Var warning box equals document get element by ID. That, and then we also want to give this an ID so we can capture this. Authbox login warning text.
Yeah.
Okay, we have all that. Now, why don't we... Okay, so that's fine, it just goes. Should I have a redirecting message? Nah. Okay, so now we'll do an else if... We gotta bring this up. And let's also hide it by default. Because... So, actually these probably shouldn't be here. Ooh, and we can give this the class, the fade class. I don't know why that made me excited. We'll just stick those in there, and yeah, we want to give it this class fade in. Because it's cool. Okay, so we have warning box text. So now, we want to, if we have, if response.text, or sorry, text, because that we have to do that then thing. Text is equal to, password wrong. Or incorrect password, I suppose. Then we know, and we will, authbox login. What did I call it? Oh, it's underscore authbox login. What did I call them? Warning box. Why is that hard? We'll also make it display none, because we don't want it to be there. So we'll set it, the inner HTML to just be password incorrect, and we'll have it warning box.style.display equals inline. So then that should disappear if it's incorrect, right? Just give that a test. Or it says incorrect. Oh. Password incorrect. Why does it look like that? What?
Sleep.
Is it just a fluke or? What? Wait. Did we not actually get the box back? Oh no, the box is there. Authbox login warning. How's it being displayed as? Inline. That's correct. Is it something to do with it being a critical box? But make it, well no, the critical box was working a minute ago. Is it something with me doing less to it? Does it not like that very much? Keep clicking sign up. Warning message, see it's fine.
Sleep.
Does it not want to be displayed in line? Does it want to be displayed like fixed or something? But I thought we already had that conversation, that whole fiasco. And inline was the one that worked. I guess we'll try it again. Can't spell my own name. Yeah, see, it's just display fixed doesn't do anything. Display inline does. Alright, well, I kind of need to finish these so I can just test whatever. You know? So let's do that. Really quick. Incorrect password. No accounts exist is the next one. Let's make this a little friendlier. Your password is incorrect. Incorrect password. Now we need multiple accounts exist. Which shouldn't happen because that's the thing I'm gonna have to check. When you create an account. Authentication's so finicky. So much stuff that you have to check. I'll make this one kind of funny. Somehow. Somehow multiple accounts of that username exist. That shouldn't happen. Please contact me. I'll fix it. Also, I'll pin the repository link. Really small up there. Alright, there we go. That's kind of cool. Anyway. Multiple accounts exist, and then we have request is not a get request, which ideally shouldn't happen either. And then we also have missing headers. And this will just be kind of confused. Something went wrong when signing you in. Missing headers and no session token. Just so people have a little bit of a warning. And then we'll do a request is not a get request because that shouldn't happen either considering it is a get request. And there's no reason why that would happen unless I mess something up like backend. So for some reason your request wasn't a proper get request. This shouldn't happen as I've specifically told it to make a get request. Contact me. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of funny. And then otherwise we'll just do a generic oh no message. Because, you know, everyone loves these. Just an else. Everyone loves the generic. There was a problem signing you in. Don't we love those kind? So I can just put whatever in here now and it'll just work. There was a problem signing you in. Wait, why? No accounts exist. No, we don't want an exclamation point. That confuses things. No punctuation. That username doesn't exist, so why does it show up so weird? What are all the options for display again? Block. We'll try block. Just in case it matters. Oh. Alrighty. That's what works. And I do kind of want to see that the fade in worked correct. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, we can sign in now. That takes you here, which is precisely what we want. So, that's pretty good. I'm glad that works. We can create an account and we can log into our account, and it preserves the session across the browser and check the headers. Why is that there? That's kind of funny. What does that do? You know, whatever. Cool. So, what happens when we do this now? This should redirect us as well, because it calls the login, right? For 3 forbidden. Why is it doing that again? It just fails. Okay. Create account. But we have a CSRF cookie. I already did that. Is it because I already stole it? Does it need a separate cookie? No. CSRF cookie not set. Thought we already dealt with this. They both find the cookie. Right? There's nothing obviously wrong here. Does login still work? Oh, is it because my cookies are off? Let's not do that username thing. That worked. So okay, well I guess I can't disable cookies and create an account. Messages returns account created. So why don't we have that redirect to the login? So we'll just set session and then go. Provided everything's fine. So like request dot headers. Wait, but it's already getting. Oh, we need to do the session thing. Request dot session. Like that. And then redirect to the. We'll go back to other views from our main, and we just want to go to sign in. So we should just be able to call print account created, and then we'll just do return sign in request. Right? So when we click create account, request is not a GET request, because it's a POST request. Hello, Hazen Party. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Let us well, I guess we could just allow this to also use a post request. Alright. It feels hacky, but program on a game? What do you mean by program on a game? Like, am I making a game, or? Yeah, but like, you just want me to start from scratch? Alright. I haven't used Pygame that much before. Are there like rules? Oh, alright. No commenting? Okay. Do you want to give me like a... What do you mean by hashtag variables? I don't know what that means. Oh, okay. Do you have like a, do you have a, like, theme or something? Or do I just make whatever? Here, I'll set it. Here. Should be puzzle based. It's like a puzzle game. Just any puzzle game? Okay. And what's the second condition? Here, I'll move all my stuff over. Oh, 2D, okay, I see. Alright. Do you have a GitHub repository? Are you sure you don't want to use GitHub though? So we could see everyone's changes? I mean, how many people do you think is going to be able to do this? Alright. I mean, it's probably... Is it hard for you to send all that over Pastebin? Because it does end up with a lot of files, I would expect. I spelled that wrong. No? Alright. Well, actually... Via GitHub, okay. Do you want me to... Do you want to add me as a collaborator? Here. That's me if you want to add me. The link that I just nightbotted. Okay. How many times have you done this? Is this your second one? Isn't that what you said? Last time it was with 15.
Relationships, I think they're fantastic. They're wonderful. I think they're great. I think there's nothing in the world more beautiful than
Oh no, you're good.
falling in love. But falling in love for the right reason. Falling in love for the right purpose. Falling in love. Falling in love. When you fall in love,
Cool. Am I allowed to look at inspiration, or is that cheating? Okay, good. Thanks for finding my stream. I haven't exactly had very many viewers yet. Can we do this?
I love relationships. I think they're fantastic. They're wonderful. I think they're great. I think there's nothing in the world more beautiful than falling in love.
I can probably use GIMP for pixel art. Better pin that. And I pin it. Thanks. Presume this is your repository. Alright. Okay, so I can push do it now. Alright, cool. So I'll do my source control. Initialize. Oh no, that wasn't right. Can I commit to main? Create good ignore. So we're gonna do it on game. I don't think that's how I do it. Hang on. Can I just put this in? No. I don't remember how to do this. I'm probably supposed to clone, aren't I? Alright. This doesn't count, right? I'm trying to figure out how to do it. Alright, good. Okay, so I probably gotta Alright, that's good. Where did my Venv go? Oh, it's probably hidden, isn't it? Can I show hidden files? Okay, and then I'll just move this. I'll delete you, and I'll put this here, and I'll do this. And then I'll restart this.
Didn't know if you were busy tonight, but just if you're around, give me a text. Bye.
What do you mean by that? Oh, okay. Do you mean to teach you some? Is that what you mean? Oh, I'd be happy to do that.
On second thought, never mind.
Yeah.
Things came up.
That's cool. What is happening? I think I need to start over. I don't know what I did wrong. Just gonna delete everything. Just try to get clone again. I'm not gonna do that. Go here. Source control. I just get clone. Is that gonna work? I appear to have cloned an empty repository. That's fine. I know. Oops. Is that gonna work? Okay. So we'll publish. Couldn't push refs. We need to pull. Am I missing, I think I might be missing a permission or something. Is that what this is? Maybe I can't push to main. Do you know how you set that up?
Don't take drugs.
Can't figure out what's happening. I don't know. What are the branches for this? Here. We'll create a file. It's called main. Maybe it just wants a file before I can do that. Okay, so now that's there. We have the main branch. And I was able to commit to it. So can I go in here and pull? Okay, now that worked. So now can I create my own file? Okay, cool. Thanks. So now will this work? Sync changes. Alright, that seemed to work. And then everything showed up here, right? Okay, cool. So now I gotta set up my Python. Does installing Pygame count as my time? Can I do that first? Okay. I have slow internet, so it might matter. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Kinda weird how slow this is. Okay, that's good. That's a good rule. Hopefully I won't have to use it though until right at the end. Okay. Cool. There we go, now it's going. Alright. Is there anything else that I need to know? Alright. Did you start it, or? Okay. Alright. Okay, we got an event loop. We really don't need to print everything though. Okay, now it quits. It's really small. What does this do? Okay, I already did the screen. Yeah, we do need to set the caption. That's a good point. Ah, okay. That's cool. Do you make a lot of Python games? Oh, I'm sorry. It's mad at you for posting links. How do I stop that? Okay, I see your link anyway. Sorry, I'll have to figure out how to turn that off. Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. That's useful. And I do need to do this too, that's important, the flip. What does the clock.tick do? Oh, okay. That's cool. Surface.fill. Okay, that's cool. Cool. But I don't want it to be red. That's a better color. Okay, I think I should in the while loop. Oh, because it'll update later. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Eh. Where did our thing go? Hello? Before the flip? I have? Can I try to put together a tile map? Okay. Yeah, well, I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, we'll do a tile map. We'll create a new one of these. We'll just do a, do 16 by 16 tiles, how about? I don't want to leave my signature. So who knows where this will end up, right? I'm making a pixel art, or I'm gonna make a tile map, and I'm gonna, whatever. Okay. So let's do grass. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16, we'll do 16 by 16. Grass. I lost my color. Hey. There we go. No, I don't like that color. Not very good at drawing grass. As long as we have just a couple things, it doesn't really matter. Just do grass and dirt for now. I have a document up on this. I have the documentation on the side, but I haven't done it before. I'm so good at drawing. Where'd my, here we go. 7 minutes, alright. Okay, so each tile is going to be 16 by 16. I don't want a margin nor a spacing. I'll just leave it, I don't know what it does. Self.file equals file. Okay, so we'll load it. Somehow. Oh, should I get a 2D level editor? I would probably have to fight with it on Linux. I'll just, I guess, guess I'll take this instead. What is NP? Game.locals import all. Did I bring this back? Okay, no, it didn't. What is NP supposed to be? Already? Jeez. Minute till 10-minute mark, alright. I haven't gotten very far in 5 minutes. Tile map's kind of hard. Game. Oh, these are all probably supposed to be in different files, aren't they? Oh, okay, I see what I'm supposed to do. This can be in tiles.py. Import tiles. And then we need already have a tile set. Oops. I feel like this documentation's missing part of it. I guess we'll just go for it. What is tiles again? Tiles is just my tile map. Tiles dot tile map equals tiles dot tile map. And then we also need to get our tile set out. And we'll put that in here. Okay. So then now we're gonna create our tile set. It wants file, which is gonna be tilemap.png. Size is gonna be 16 by 16. What else does it want? Alright, the rest should be fine. This needs to be a string. That's not correct. Tile map can be tile map. They want the tile set. size is 1x2. Maybe. It wants a rectangle to put it on. Are you looking at my commands? Well, does that just work? NP is not defined. Where am I supposed to get that? 10 minutes are up. But it's not working. I don't want to leave it in a buggy state. Can I fix the error? Oh, but I thought, how much longer do you want me to go for? Oh, I have 10 minutes left. Left, is that what you mean? I have 15 minutes left, alright. What's the total time you're doing? Okay, 30 minutes, alright, that makes sense. Come on. Okay. That's a good rule. Time to fix it. Come on. Okay, good. Yeah, it is. My keybinds won't work. Fair enough. Okay, we have gray. So I feel like their tile map example is kind of poor. Oh, and they want a game class. Yeah, but like I'm just trying to figure out like how their example is, you know? Tile set.load maybe. Tile map takes a tile set. Screen.emit. Really? It wants a surface, it says. I bet I have to put it on a surface. Like make a rectangle.
Thanks
for
for the follow, Hasten Party.
Appreciate it. So I'll make a rectangle first. Can I literally just do that? And then stick it on a surface. Or you know what? I don't want to do all this. I'm gonna do it a different way. Let's do it this way instead. Argument 1 must be a surface, not a rectangle. How do I make a surface from a rectangle? Alright. How do you make tile maps? You don't? What do you do? Should I just be drawing? That would probably be easier. Just an image. Maybe I should just do that. Alright. Ideally, I'll make this art better later, but for now, I'm just trying to get some functionality going. Maybe you should try to get somebody doing this who's like an actual artist. Cause that'd be kind of cool. Just so it's something better than whatever this is. Were you able to get an artist from the last time you did this? Oh, that's good. Did they redo a bunch of stuff? Did they make it look good? That's cool. There, I'll write sorry for bad art in the corner. In case you get one. Do you want to have 20 minutes? I thought I had 30. Code's at 5 minutes left? Alright, well, let's see what I can get done. Let's see what state it's at in a minute. Okay, so now we want our... Every 30 minutes. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do, and then we'll see how buggy it is. You're not write your Twitch name in there. Oh, you want it to be a secret? All right. It's advertising. Okay. Advertising in secret. All right. I mean, I'll be on the GitHub repository. People will see that as my commit, but that's all right. It'll be fine. I think I can get a character going. In 2 minutes. I kind of doubt it. Yeah. Maybe I can at least draw a character, right? Well, I don't want it to be like too long. You know? I mean, you can if you want, but I don't want to like mess up your challenge or whatever, you know? All right. Well, whatever you pick, whatever you want. It's your challenge. Why can't I fill right there? Okay. It's just. Actually, we don't even want that. I also don't know how to draw characters. So, eh. Also, it'd be kind of cool if it was pixel art. So maybe I'll make this a little bit smaller. Another 20 minutes? Alright. What's the total time gonna be then for that? Greetings, welcome back. Once you're done with this challenge, what do you do with it? Just kind of leave it, or? Or come on and make it online. Do you like put it somewhere? Oh, that's cool. We have a repository for it now, so that'll be easy this time. Here's our funny little character. Wherever you do post it, you should like link my GitHub or something too. I'm trying to like share my work, you know. You like it? I actually have reference image on the side because I can't really draw. So it's fine, right? This brush is weird how it like spills. I don't like it. It's kind of annoying. Minutes left, alright. Okay, I kind of like that. Maybe we need to do another hand. And then we'll scale down this image. Oof. There. How's that? Oops. Good? Alright. File, export. Okay, let's just put all of these things that we need into put these in case anyone wants to edit this. And then we'll do an images. And then we'll put one and character in it. And then we'll delete tiles because we're not using that anymore. We probably need a character class, don't we? Define, draw, and then I gotta import Pygame. Pygame dot and then we'll just, we should probably inherit the screen as well. Self.screen.blit image at self.x self.y. Okay, so now we have character class, so we'll import character. I don't see what this is doing for us. 15 minutes, alright. Okay, and then we'll have character dot So now we'll just draw it every time. No such file directory image 1.png. Okay. Our character's not showing up because we probably need to move it to be like 1010 or something. I don't see it. Oh, because it does the image after. Maybe? Or maybe not. Okay, there he is. Look at him. How cute. Alright, can we scale him? Ah. Image.scale. So what, we'll just like double it maybe? Well, I should probably resave it. What just happens if we do that? Does it just work? Hello? Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, now let us be able to change his position, so... event.type equals pygame.key key D. Pygame.key. We should just be able to do like D, right? No. Oh, pygame.key down is what we need. How do we do this? Oh, if event type is key down. If pygame.key.get rest D character dot x equals character dot x plus 10.
Want to go out with is pretty great, isn't it?
Crashed. Okay. If event.key. Okay. can move right. Now we should be able to move left. Yeah. Now it'd be cool if you flipped around. So can we do... My game, transform, flip. Game.transform.flip. So we'll have a new function in our character. Flip X, true, false. Flip it again. Will that just work? 5 minutes, alright. Oh, but I have to change direction. Why didn't I flip? Wait a second, that's never gonna work. Okay, that's kinda awkward. If the direction, if we're going right, turn them right. If we're going right and direction now. If we want to go right and self dot direction now is equal to left, then set you can turn left. 30 seconds. Ring, 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 ring. All right. Do you think this is finished enough? Okay, move right and left, and it turns. I think that's good for my 1 hour. I did a lot of the background setup, and that's probably the hardest part. Alright, I'll commit it. We don't need our Pi cache. Alright, okay if I commit it on GitHub? Where'd the repository go? Just has a vem in it. The repository? Oh, hang on. I'm trying to figure out where it went. Why can't I find it? Did it disappear? Why can't I access it anymore? I don't think I can access the repository anymore. Do I have Google Drive? Oh, you deleted the repository? I do have a Google Drive, but I don't want to use that for sharing this. How come you deleted the repository? You still have what open? Well, why can't I get to it anymore? It just does a 404 on me. That's what the link goes to. you accidentally private again? Private it again? And I can't even get to your profile anymore. Can you tell what's happened? You invited me to a new one. That is public. Hasn't shown up yet. I can't tell if it's being slow or if it's not working right. What's the repository called? Like, what's the name of it? grab it. Well, it doesn't seem to exist either. User cannot be added. It seems like you've got something funny going on with your account. Can't add me. Well, it's kind of weird that I can't go to your profile. So how do you give me the code then? Do you want me to make a repository? And then you can just share that with people? Yeah, alright. What? I'll make a repository. Your Git account got banned. Why? Did you have a lot of stuff on it? Okay. It's gonna be kind of hard because I own this and you're doing the challenge with other people, so we're gonna have to work together so I can share this with people. You know, I like don't want to take over your. I don't want to take over your thing, you know. Alright. That sounds good. I'd like to see the final product though. I'd like to see what it's like when it's done. Okay, there we go. Where'd that go? There's the link for you. You can, under the code tab, you can just click download zip, and it'll grab all of it for you. You see the link that I posted? Oh, we lost my getting more, didn't we? Alright. Good luck. I'm probably gonna be, probably gonna stop streaming soon though, so you'll have to, contact me somehow, I guess. Here, I'll follow you and then you can whisper me. Alright. I'd like to see how it goes though. So you'll have to figure out how to talk to me again. Good luck. It's a fun project. Hope it goes well. That was kind of cool. Let's move back over to, whoops, here. Sorry about that. Okay, well, what were we working on? Look at this to the guy. Mixed this whole thing up. Got signed out. Alright, got all these now. These fakers. Multiple accounts exist. Yeah. Just get out. No accounts exist. What am I stuck in? What am I stuck into? Is a session mixed up or something? There we go. Okay, so we can log in. And that works just fine. And then it preserves the session. And then we can't really get out. So for now we just have to clear cookies. And then we can create an account. And it creates it and signs it in. And it is yet to. Now we just need to make it redirect if possible. So we're making a post request though. And we probably should be changing that to a GET request so that we can get our response. So let's do that. And we'll reflect the changes here. Because obviously this can just be a GET request instead. And then we will just return and then we'll be able to get our what it returns. So we'll just do the same thing we were doing. Constant response equals await fetch. And then we'll just do it needs to be an async function. Okay, so once we have this, then we can just say response.text.then function taking a parameter text does stuff, and we want it to we can remove this. Then we just want it to like I mean, what's even the response when this happens? When we successfully create an account, it just signed us in, and that would redirect us back. So we would presume that just do the same thing as we did here. so we'll start this bit over. Create a new account. Great email and a great password. Does that redirect? No, it doesn't. Why didn't it? Alright. Oh, worked that time. So now I'd presume if we were to go back and refresh. Alright, so we have our session now. So that works perfectly. And I think that's all that we're doing in terms of this. So that's pretty solid, I think. But I think that's probably a kind of buggy. We're gonna have to look into that, but it's probably a good place to leave it for today. We got to do some circles dev. We got to help somebody with a project, which is kind of fun. Hopefully they get to find more people to work with them. And hopefully we get to see the final result. Thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll probably stream tomorrow again. Do more circles, as always. Alright. See ya.